Do you know what is the biggest reason for startups and entrepreneurs not getting proper success or getting failed in their ventures? Statistically, the failure rate is very high amongst the budding entrepreneurs who have not sought any guidance from experts. Primary reason for not seeking any help is that they want to do all by themselves. It's sure. You cannot be master of all the domains. You need a unique and innovative product. And then you need to sustain business profitably and need to differentiate yourself with that strategic competitiveness. Dr. Akshita Bahuguna's Unbox Entrepreneurship strategy has aided in the successful launch of more than 100 startups. Unbox Entrepreneurship assists startups in establishing market attractiveness by allowing entrepreneurs to identify large and growing markets. If you are someone who wishes to forego fears and failure and want to launch your startup and are committed to build the pillars for sustainably repeatable, scalable, and profitable business for you, then reserve your seat for 90-minute free webinar called Start Your Startup. At the webinar, you will learn 3 secrets to start your startup successfully. To reserve your seat, WhatsApp on 9599588930 or email at info@unboxentrepreneurship.com. To know our entrepreneurship courses, visit at www.unboxentrepreneurship.com.